Greetings, my friends. This is Gilles Mansillon. It's really hot outside, so I came inside to make this message. I hope you're integrating and feeling good about the new energies that are coming. There is the whole alignment with our higher self more and more, and we really it's all about our ability to transform through light and love. So to utilize this connection to the I am that I am, all that is. For God rewards patience, God rewards compassion, courage, lucidity, clarity, wisdom. So it's very important to continue to cultivate that, knowing that the only reality is the eternal one. The temporal reality is only a show that is created for our own growth and evolution. But eternity and infinity exist within all, within me, within you, within all things. It's just a matter of tuning into the frequency. We have this new moon in Scorpio, the 888, and we're getting very close to this huge download on the 8th of August. For it is, I wanted to say that it's maybe important for those who, if you're Buddhist, call on the Buddha, but if you're Christian or Muslim or even Jewish, then it's important to Jewish spirit. I don't know how they're going to deal with that, but the Christ is very central. To call on the Christ for assistance, for guidance, for he is the central way. He's the master not controller, but he oversees the whole evolution of the planet. So it is very important to know he is a friend and can be contacted. And even his mind can replace ours. If something doesn't work within our mind, we can ask that the mind of the Christ replace our own mind, or the mind of the Buddha, if you're Buddhist or whatever. It's just, but to access higher consciousness, for everything has been worked out from within and above. It's like most of the work now. We're just coming to the time of manifestation. It's going to be quite exciting, and. But we're going to have to straighten out, to come into the world, to explain things, because there's a lot of confusion. For instance, the religion all believe that the dogmas are the only valid one, and everybody else will go to hell. And so it's like, and people are ready to go to war over that. There is really no reason for anything like that anymore. And because the higher truths are coming, and like divine energy, the solar flash, and many illusions will crumble down. So some people will keep fighting against those new energies, others will merge into the unity consciousness. So I just wanted to come and say hello. I don't know, we're getting very close to major events, both with that, on a personal and collective level, and so much is about to unfold. So thank you so very much for your support, for your donations. It's my only lifeline right now. Very soon I'm not going to need any more donations. I'm really working on a freedom plan. For freedom is the word that was completely into my mind today. Everything I thought was freedom, 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 freedom. So it is coming. And the observer of the day is nothing is better than your home. It's to feel good within your body, to feel good within your home, to feel good, or to imagine the ideal. It's all about improving all that. The highest wisdom is to realize there is the facade of saying all that shine, the world of all that shine, and the mask people wear and all that. So it's about being centered, to be able to utilize and see all that, but through the eyes of divinity. What we need to understand is trust. It's very important to trust that things are working out, not because a lot of energies are going to be accelerated. Some people are going to move into panic mode. So it's just not about. It's very important we stay calm and we trust. What we need to do is the crossroads. So it's about making choices. It's about going right, going left, where the life wants to lead us, and to continue to see that there is a turning point as well. And the outcome will be the thinker. It's like we're going to have to put the plans to have very, very specific plans in relationship to our project, in relationship to our life. What do we really want? The universe cannot bring us anything until we actually ask for it. So it's like you may as well ask, and God is all powerful. He understands us, and he loves us more than we can ever think of, and he has the power to bring forward what we need, what we want, what we desire. But yet a reason needs to come into place, so that we can surrender a little bit of our ego power, to give in to the divinity, and to allow ourselves to be guided. I hope this message was interesting for you. Thank you for supporting the channel also very much. So I'm going to finish with a song, and I'll pull a few cards. It's a very old American song that went through my mind this morning that reflects my emotional condition, maybe. It goes like this. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamt I held you in my arms, but when I woke, dear, I was mistaken. So I bowed my head and I cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. It's a long song, but it's just at the beginning. I think it's at the end. They find each other again. So let's see. I'm finish with that. Well, forgiveness is really the observer of the day. It's going to be a need for forgiveness, and a lot of things are going to be coming into the light. A lot of deficiency, defaults, disloyalty, well, not maybe disloyalty, but and all kinds of little things that will be coming to the surface. We're going to need to be very, very forgiving. Yeah? What the highest wisdom is apprenticeship. So it's very much about learning and growing. It's number 66, the card. What we need to understand is enthusiasm. There is so much to be enthusiastic when freedom will come at last. Free at last, free at last, free at last. Comme disait the Dr. Martin Luther King. And so enthusiasm, it's card number 52. It's the card of stillness, meditation in the tarot. Then we have the card number 54. That's it's called the reward. So we have to accept the rewards. We don't do things to be rewarded, but the universe is a cause and effect. It's whatever we give. It's what we eventually will harvest. So just trust the law of the universe. And the outcome will be the meeting, encountering. It's going to be amazing people. We're going to meet the people that we're going to be friends with for the rest of our life. A lot of new connections are about to unfold. Well, I hope this resonated with you. I'm going to finish with this invitation to travel. It's a song I'm trying to learn. I haven't learned it yet, but it went through my mind in this way. It goes like this. Aruba, Jamaica, oh, I wanna take ya. Bermuda, Bahama, come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go? Off the Florida Keys, there's a place named Kokomo, and that's where I wanna go to get away from it all. Body in the sand, tropical drinks melting in our hands. There will be falling in love to the rhythm of a steel drum band. Down in Kokomo, Aruba, Jamaica, oh, I wanna take ya. Bermuda, Bahama, come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, oh, I wanna take you down to Kokomo. We'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where I wanna go, way down in Kokomo. Oh, a very old song, the Beach Boys, talking about beach. It's probably a beach. I lived in Key West for 4 months and 2.5 years in Miami. I don't know all the keys. I don't know this beach. Maybe it's an imaginative. The name was imagined for the song. Who knows? Well, thank you very much. I'm looking forward to returning with a lot of great change will be happening. Be ready for download each and every day until August 8th, and then it'll be open for another 3 days. We're going to be receiving a lot of energy and clarity. So ask for that, and freedom and abundance and connection and all that. I thank you very much. Wish you a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Namaste.